Do you want a movie explanation channel like this one? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own movie explanation channel on YouTube using automation without even showing your face. If you check this guy's videos, he is uploading movie clips on YouTube without copyright and adding voiceover without even showing his face. As you can see, his channel has racked up over 3 million subscribers and he is earning from it. According to Social Blade, he is earning up to $90,000 per month on just ad revenue from YouTube. So I will show you how to create a channel like it. Now let's get started. So, first and foremost, we require a film. Save your favorite movie to your laptop by downloading it from the internet. I have already downloaded Interstellar, so don't publish the entire film on YouTube Direct without changes. If you do this, YouTube will take your video down, or your channel may be subject to termination from the platform. So the next thing we are going to do is look for script for our movie. Open Google now and enter Interstellar movie there. Visit this website now. IMDb is a website that contains statistics about movies, TV shows, podcasts, home videos, and video games. The storyline part can be found here if you scroll down now. Click on the storyline summary. So, this is the movie's entire plot. You can include a concept from the film or this synopsis into the explanation in your video. Do not directly copy or paste this whole synopsis. Keep some changes in them, where you can rephrase the whole article. But bear in mind to limit your video to between 10 and 15 minutes. Another way to look for a script is visiting google.com. Now search for Interstellar plot summary or synopsis and search for it on other sites. For example, as you can see, this person already wrote the script. Now copy and paste the script into a Word file. So now we have completed script writing easy and free. The next method is voiceover. We are going to be using AI to do the job for us without even using our own voice. Visit levo.ai for this purpose. Your entire script should go here. The entire script will be generated for you. But always use voiceovers that sound human in any AI technology. Because YouTube may reject your monetization application due to poor robotic voiceovers, your chosen voice shouldn't seem robotic to the listener. The most crucial step if you want to create a channel in this category is video editing, which comes after the next stage, because YouTube may generate a copyright strike if your editing is poor. So continue to watch the entire tutorial. Dispatch any video editor software that you prefer. I will be making use of Filmora 12. It can be used in videos. Insert your movie now. Don't forget to turn off the movie's original audio. It is a crucial component. Then take a few brief movie clips that are only a few seconds long. Create a brief clip by cutting the movie every 8 to 10 seconds. Use only short clips that are no longer than 10 seconds. Simply edit your entire film into short clips in accordance with the script's words. Now add your voiceover script in this box. This will now become your content because you added voiceover and removed the original audio of the movie. Now export the video and it's saved to your computer. Now the thumbnail comes next. You may observe that he is just utilizing a few movie sequences as thumbnails if you visit this channel. Therefore, see the whole movie to see the incredibly interesting scenario. If you want to add any details, take a screenshot and update it. For instance, in my case, I enjoy this moment from the film Interstellar. By tapping these keys on your laptop's keypad, you can take a screenshot. Go to canva.com now. It is a free tool for graphic design. Press enter after selecting the YouTube thumbnail. You can upload your screenshot here by opening this page. Increase the image size and then add some components to make your thumbnail more appealing. But keep in mind, do not add multiple components to your thumbnail. To make the thumbnail more intriguing, use fewer words and fewer elements. Our final process is to publish. Publish your video to YouTube. We'll now create the video's title, tags, and description. Go to ChatGPT and write the greatest eye-catching title for my YouTube video on Interstellar, full explanation in English. Now, choose a title. Simply copy and paste it into the title field. Return to GPT chat and give it the order to write a short description for my YouTube channel based on this title. Wait a few seconds and your description will be ready. You should copy and paste it into the description area. Upload the canva.com thumbnail you made here. The tag section comes next. Return to GPT conversation and comment here. Please provide me with some suitable tags based on the title of my video. You may also utilize the YouTube search bar and the VidIQ tool to generate keywords for your video. Simply put all of the tags into the tag section, then pick video language and complete the remaining parts as desired. As you can see, there is no copyright issue here. YouTube finds copyright content here, yet our content is completely copyright free. And there you have it. You can create a Hollywood movie explanation channel on YouTube using automation while maintaining the quality and authenticity of your content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on building your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.